Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. It's early in the morning. I'm in Long Island, New York, guys. It's a beautiful day, and this video I'm gonna show and tell you guys and I'm gonna give you guys some tips on growing broccoli in the container. Growing broccoli in a container, guys, it's a little bit different from growing in ground. The reason why your broccoli is not growing or is taking forever is because it needs more nutrition. It needs more water. So let me show you guys how my broccoli is looking right now, and I'm gonna show you how I'm harvesting it. So guys, this is my container there. It's probably about a 3-gallon container, and as you can see, so guys, my broccoli plant, it was getting eaten out by the bugs, so I moved it from a different area right now, and since I did, it's been getting healthy and better. And as you guys can see, there's my beautiful broccoli crown right there. When you have your broccoli in a container, just remember one thing: the broccoli leaves and the broccoli is considered a superfood. They're rich in nutrients and vitamins, so make sure, guys, your plant is going to use a lot of energy for the leaves, and it's going to use a lot of more energies, a ton of energy and nutrition and water for the broccoli. So make sure you have a rich organic soil. If you don't, add some compost. If you don't have compost like me right now, this is what I did, guys. I used the Bio-toneÂ. It's organic, it has calcium, nutrients, everything, you know, everything to boost up the broccoli plant. So guys, basically I did it for the past 2 weeks, and since I did that, my broccoli plant is producing faster. And another tip, guys, when you're using an organic plant food like this or your compost and you see your broccoli small, you gotta watch it every day because it grows fast. And when it grows fast, you gotta make sure you gotta make sure, like I could show you, I have maybe a 2 or 3 of them are popping out the yellow flower, so we gotta harvest this. How to harvest your broccoli, guys, and when to, just make sure it's a crown, it's green, it's compact. You could see it before it's popping out the yellow flower. You gotta cut it out, guys. You gotta harvest it. But when you harvest in the broccoli, guys, make sure there's I hope you guys could see, there's secondary broccoli coming up here. There's always a couple broccoli. I'll show you in my other plant too. I have a couple secondary broccoli. So this is your broccoli coming out. You're gonna want to make sure you stop right here. Do not cut out your secondary. Cut from here. Always cut in a little slant, guys. So if any water or any insect or anything want to stand, there's not a landing spot. So they could, you know, it's slant, so that you'll be all right. So it's not gonna get like rotten or any disease or anything like that. So cut in the slant, and you still have more broccoli plants gonna grow. So guys, watering broccoli in a container, if it's 70 degrees and up, I water almost every day. If it's raining, you don't need to water, but if it's gonna rain in the night, I suggest still water in the morning lightly. Always water your broccoli plant in the morning. And guys, if your broccoli leaves are drooping down and it's like dead, and you think your broccoli plant is dead and all the leaf is just hanging down, it's not dead, guys. Hanging broccoli leaves, it's normal when you don't have water. So make sure when you see that, give it a lot of water and give it a couple hours, it'll come back to life. So guys, this is my other broccoli plant. This is in ground. I had already pruned one. I had cut it in the slant. Now you see, this is one of my other broccolis coming up. They're coming up so beautiful, and I still have tons of broccoli here. So they're all coming up and grown beautiful. I'll show you another one that I'm gonna harvest now. So this is a much smaller broccoli plant, but it produced so good. But you can see there's a couple of yellow spots. I gotta cut him out right now. So I'm gonna cut him out today, right now too. So there's a secondary one all the way there. So from this one here, I might cut right above the secondary one. Sorry guys, I'm gonna cut right above the secondary one to get this crown. Best is you get a knife to do it because they're really thick, and the pruner like that, I'll cut into its slant. So let me just cut this out slant. So guys, as you see, I made a slant cut, and then what I do, I'll take him off. It's slant. We have all the secondary broccoli remain, and beautiful little bouquet of broccoli, guys. Oh my god, delicious. You guys, when you pick your broccoli too, it's always good to soak it with a little bit of salt water for a couple minutes in case any bugs or any worms or anything is hiding inside. Yep, if any bugs or worms are hiding inside. And that's what I learned from a lot of people, and I did it and it actually worked. I saw some unnecessary bugs came out. Guys, so there you go. The sun is bright, and I got a couple baby leaves. I pick a couple leaves too because I make a green juice with the leaves. The broccoli leaves is really healthy, guys. So this one I could have picked, you know, a couple days before, so that's why we gotta watch it before it turns yellow. It turns yellow into the flower. It's sour. It's not that sweet. This one is more green and rich, and it's like a bigger one. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome, and excited always to harvest broccoli, guys. I love it. And hopefully this video was helpful, guys. If it was, please make sure to give thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, guys. 100% free, and a lot more videos coming up.